World's most expensive seeds more than silver. Hi explorers. Did you know there are seeds on Earth that cost more per ounce than silver? Yes, these tiny packets of life are so rare and valuable that they're priced like precious metals. 1 gram of silver about $1? 1 gram of the crimson threads on your screen? Try 65. That's right. Ounce for ounce, these seeds and seed parts can outrun silver by 20 times. Stick around. In the next 8 minutes we're counting down the tiniest treasures on Earth, and the top spot belongs to a plant that's technically been gone for 2,000 years. Number 6. Yubari King Melon Seeds. Yubari King melons are grown only in Yubari, Hokkaido, Japan, making their seeds extremely exclusive. They are a hybrid of 2 cantaloupe varieties, carefully crossbred for sweetness and texture. Farmers guard the seeds closely and their cultivation methods are kept secret for generations. The melons grown from these seeds often sell for thousands of dollars at auction, making the seeds equally valuable. Each seed requires precise greenhouse conditions to germinate, with strict soil and climate control. In Japan, these seeds are seen not just as agriculture but as symbols of luxury, prestige, and tradition. Number 5. Saffron Crocus. Stigmas. You've tasted paella, but you've probably never planted the spice that colors it. Each saffron crocus pops out exactly 3 red threads. To hit a single ounce you need roughly 4,000 flowers, picked by hand, one by one, before the sun gets too chatty. Iranian farmers trek into Khorasan at dawn when the flavor's loudest, then dry the threads the same day. That labor alone tacks on a zero. Add in a blink and you miss it October bloom and the corm's slow burnout, and wholesale buyers happily hand over $200, $450 an ounce. Next time you see that tiny red pinch, remember, it's worth its weight in gold and then some. Number 4. Vanilla Planifolia Seeds. Vanilla isn't a sprinkle, it's an orchid pod begging for a 9-month spa treatment. Every flower gets hand-pollinated on the one morning it opens. Miss it and the beans toast. After that, the pods sweat under wool blankets for months to coax out vanillin crystals. Madagascar grows most of the world's stash, but one nasty cyclone in 2017 doubled prices overnight. Today, an ounce of plump grade A beans sits anywhere from $100 to $200. Slice one, and you'll see thousands of microscopic black seeds, each one a tiny vault labeled liquid gold. Number 3. Elite Cannabis Strain Seeds. Welcome to genetics gone wild. Fruity Pebbles, OG feminized seeds hover around $50 a piece. Collectors aren't buying seeds, they're buying a pedigree that pumps out frosty buds testing near 29% THC and smelling like Saturday morning cereal. An ounce of the flower retails for about $1,500 in LA, so a 6-pack of seeds that lands one good mom is basically a steal. And if you think that's steep, remember Oracle. One seed once cost $200 because the breeder swore it hit 45% THC and finished flowering in 45 days. Was the hype real? Depends which forum you ask. The auction invoices though, those speak for themselves. Number 2. Hopshoot Seed Cones. Meet the veggie most brewers would rather forget. Every spring, the first 4 inches of humulus lupulus shoots, picked before the cones form, become hop asparagus for Michelin-starred menus. Belgian and Dutch farmers tiptoe through dew-soaked vines at dawn, snipping only the tender tips. Yield is so tiny that restaurants cough up $1,000 a pound, about $62 an ounce for the bragging rights. The cones are technically baby female flowers that would have become seeds. Chefs sauté them like ultra-expensive green beans, brewers just cry. Number 1. Silphium Seed Extinct. Picture a plant so valuable Romans stamped it on coins. Silphium grew on a single stretch of Libyan coastline and was the ancient world's Swiss army plant, medicine, seasoning and alleged aphrodisiac all in one. By the 1st century AD, overharvesting and hungry sheep erased it from the map. Today only the coins remain,